Investing is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth and achieve financial freedom over time, and the reason for this is what's called compound interest, which is also known as the snowball effect, which basically means that as you invest your money, it's going to grow, and that growth will lead your money to grow even more and more over time, just like a snowball getting bigger and bigger rolling down a hill. But did you know that 42% of Americans don't own stocks at all? And if you're one of them, you need to know that the earlier you start, the better. Now, I will say the amount of investing apps available can make it extremely difficult for a beginner to narrow down because you can use Acorns, Webull, Robinhood, M1 Finance, Fidelity, Vanguard, Sofi, Charles Schwab, Betterment, MooMoo, and even Coinbase. Lucky for you, I've spent a ton of time researching and testing out many of these apps, which is why I've narrowed it down to the 5 best investing apps for you to consider joining now. With the first one being Webull. Webull provides a large range of financial products to nearly 20 million registered users globally, and their platform is known for many advanced investing features due to their wide range of tools, in-depth market research capabilities, trading during extended hours, or even paper trading, which is a way to simulate trading without using real money. The first feature I love is that you can make different watch lists to easily track what you're most interested in, and to be honest, if you're looking to find more information about a particular stock, you can easily click on one and there will be a ton of valuable data that you can read through. And besides that, another feature that makes Webull stand out is their paper trading page where you can practice making investments and track your performance with plain money to get more experience in the market. Webull also has a cash management account that is FDIC insured for up to $1.25 million, where you can earn a 3.75% yield with no fees. Webull is also known for options trading, where they have an entire page for you to check out certain companies that you might specifically be interested in. I will say, if you are looking to invest and be up to date with the market, the advanced data features you get with Webull are much better than other platforms. And if you want to sign up for Webull, depending on how much you deposit, you can earn up to 20 free fractional shares valued between $3,000 to $3,000. So let's say you do this and deposit $500, you're guaranteed a free $60 worth of stocks at a minimum. If you are interested, sign up using my link in the description and I will greatly appreciate it. Next up, we have Robinhood, which is a fintech company that pioneered the commission-free trading revolution. Robinhood came into the world aiming to diverge from the world of traditional finance and make investing easily available for the average person. And today, they are a publicly traded company with over 20 million users and is worth around $30 billion. So what does Robinhood offer to you? Well, first, they are the pioneers for commission-free trading. Robinhood also supports the ability to invest fractional shares in over 10,000 different securities, including stocks and ETFs listed on major US exchanges. Fractional investing means you can invest in dollar increments instead of having to buy whole shares, and that can be very helpful if you're buying shares of a stock such as Meta, which has a high stock price. Robinhood is one of the only apps that lets you buy fractional shares in $1 increments, as everyone else seems to require a $5 minimum. Robinhood supports stocks, options, and now even crypto investing. They rolled out a new crypto wallet feature which allows you to send and receive cryptocurrencies to and from your Robinhood account. Overall, you're able to find everything you want to invest in right in the Robinhood app. They have a super simple yet sleek platform on both desktop and mobile, and they provide a seamless user experience. Robinhood is known to be the most beginner-friendly app available, and there are no monthly fees or minimums to use a free version of the app. And the best part is you can get a free stock worth up to $200 just for signing up and linking your bank account using the link in the description below, so make sure you use the link if you would like to. You'll be able to choose a fractional share from one of the 20 major leading US companies, so feel free to use the link below and help out the channel. Next up, we have Coinbase. Coinbase is the largest crypto exchange in the United States and is a publicly traded company that is currently valued over $40 billion. Coinbase is pretty much the Robinhood of crypto investing, looking at the platform and overall user experience. Their platform is clean, beginner-friendly, and reliable to use, and I also believe that having crypto in your portfolio is a great way to improve diversification because you are getting exposed to a different market, thus reducing the risk of your overall portfolio. So with Coinbase, you have many of the same features that are similar to the other stock investing apps, like making a watch list for your favorite cryptos, seeing your entire portfolio and historical performance, or even how each investment is performing with a clear view on the app. You can also see on the Explore page some of the top movers and all the potential cryptos that you could buy. Coinbase offers Coinbase Earn, which lets you earn a 12% APY just for staking your tokens. Coinbase also offers Coinbase Learn, where you can earn free cryptos just for watching and answering simple questions about select cryptos that they've partnered with. And the best part is, if you want to sign up using the referral link down below and make your first purchase, and you will get a $20 bonus in the form of Bitcoin. So with that said, if you're interested to add crypto into your portfolio, especially if you're a beginner, I highly recommend you check out Coinbase as soon as possible. With that said, let's now move on to the fourth investing platform, which is Sofi. Sofi's investing user experience is smooth, simple, and easy to use. When investing on Sofi, you can easily set up a recurring investment, which means you would invest into a certain stock or ETF on a scheduled basis, regardless of the price, which is also known as dollar cost averaging. So say you want a specific amount to be automatically invested every week, every 2 weeks, or every month into a stock like Microsoft. You would set up your investment schedule and then have it pull funds from any account you'd like, such as a checking or savings account. Another amazing feature that Sofi has that makes them stand out from the competition is their automated investing feature, which is also known as Sofi's robo-advisor. And this robo-advisor will build a portfolio for you without any advisory fees, and all you need is $1 to get started. It's pretty amazing how they can offer investment planning, proper diversification, auto rebalancing, and recurring deposits so that you don't have to put any time into your investment planning, nor pay a fee. So when you go in to sign up for this automated investing feature, you're gonna have to input your risk tolerance that will range from conservative, moderate, all the way to strictly aggressive, which contains only stocks. And they even mention exact ones like the S&P 500 that are inside of their portfolio. For any true beginner, this may be a great way to start and get familiar with investing, especially because it contains index funds and you're not on your own going out buying random stocks you have no idea about. Their platform is also very clean, making it really easy to move around the platform and see what interests you. And the best part is, if you decide to sign up on Sofi, you can get a free $25 towards any stock when you use the link in the description of this video. Last but not least, we have Fidelity. Now, Fidelity is one of the largest brokerage firms in the world, with their total assets under management being more than $15 trillion, which the company has been around for over 75 years and is primarily known for managing their own mutual funds, retirement services, wealth management, and much more. Personally, for me, Fidelity has always seemed to have the most clear and professional platform, and they offer zero commissions for trading, which is pretty much like every other platform. But the reason I love Fidelity so much is that I've always felt like I make wiser investment decisions when using their platform, and I also feel that it's much easier to invest with a long-term mindset instead of actively trying to buy and sell stocks. Which, speaking of long-term investing, Fidelity does stand out for having their own mutual funds like FXAIX, which is Fidelity's own S&P 500 index fund, which is one of my personal favorites that I buy every single month. Besides that, Fidelity has also grown in their popularity for being one of the first companies to offer zero-fee index mutual funds. In my opinion, Fidelity is the best platform to use for retirement services, as they offer accounts such as a Roth IRA, a 401k, 403b, traditional IRA, and many more. Besides that, Fidelity also offers many different types of management for your account, such as managing your own investments where you have complete control over your investment decisions, a robo-advisor known as Fidelity Go where you answer questions and a robo-advisor builds you an automated investment strategy. They also offer a personalized stock portfolio known as their FID folios, where Fidelity offers the ability to have a professional team build and maintain a portfolio for you. And the last one being wealth management, where a dedicated advisor provides customized planning and management designed just for you. Besides that, Fidelity is also the only option in this video that has in-person branch locations, where you can just show up anytime if you're curious to learn more about the company and your investments. You can just walk in and ask any questions you may have to a representative of Fidelity. Even if you don't have a branch near you, if you ever get stuck on something down the road, you can easily reach out to their customer service, which in my opinion has been one of the best overall services of any of the platforms that I personally used. To see if they have a location near you, you can simply look up the Fidelity Investor Centers and type in your city, state, or zip code to learn more. Overall, Fidelity is the best platform for long-term investing in my opinion, so if you're looking into retirement accounts, Fidelity may be the best option for you. If I were to break down each platform, I would say Webull is great for more advanced investing features and market research. Robinhood is the best for beginners who want a simple investing platform. Coinbase is the best for investing into cryptocurrencies for beginners. Sofi is a great platform for automated investing. And lastly, Fidelity is the best for overall use, especially on retirement accounts. And with that said, those are the 5 best investing apps that you can sign up for and start using today to start building your wealth. And as I mentioned throughout the video, there are links in the description below for where you can earn free bonuses when you sign up and deposit a certain amount depending on the investing app. For example, with Webull, you can get up to 20 fractional shares of stock, each worth up to $3,000. $1,000. With Robinhood, you can get a free stock worth up to $200. With Sofi, you can get a $25 bonus. And with Coinbase, you can get up to $20 in Bitcoin. And if you use any of those links, it also helps me out and this channel out, so it is much appreciated. If you're a beginner to investing, I highly recommend you check out some of the other videos on my channel, and I'll leave relevant ones for you in the description below. And as always, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.